Johnson.
I'm Laura Bishop.
I'm Olivia Bush.
And I'm Rachel Gamble.
And this is our Smart Board presentation. We did our Smart Board presentation on first grade social studies, and our topic is where we live. Here are a few objectives that we will be covering. You will identify where you live, distinguish communities, identify the name of your city in which you live in, the name of your state, the name of your country, the name of your continent, and the name of the planet that you live on. Next, here's a slide where we will distinguish where you live and where you go to school at. Does anyone want to come up and try it? Great. You live and go to school in a community. And in a community, you have a doctor office, your home, your school, and a gas station. All right. Next, we will be identifying key words. Okay. These are your descriptions, and they're not in correct order. Who would like to come up and put them in correct order? That is correct. You live with your family at home. You and your friends live and go to school in a community, and you learn with your friends at school.
Next, we're going to talk about the mountains. Mountains are a part of the landscape of our continent. Here you'll see that on this mountain, you can still find a farm, houses, school, businesses, and it's still a community even though it's a mountain. Down here we have a picture of Cades Cove. It's more like a landscape of a mountain with all the plants and stuff. People live, work, and play even on the mountains. Here we have a farm. On a farm, people raise animals and grow vegetables. Can I have a volunteer come up and touch the animals? This is just a little surprise for you to see what the animals do. That's the cow. Good job, thank you. There's many other things you can do on a farm also though, like grow vegetables. Here we have a cornfield, and this is the corn that it grows, and here we have a strawberry field, and these are the strawberries.
Next, we're going to be discussing the United States of America and our neighbors. We have the neighbors to the north, which are Canada, and the neighbors to the south, which are Mexico. We're in the middle, the United States. We also have three large bodies of water that surround us, but we're going to be studying the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. The Gulf of Mexico is what we live on right here locally. These are our states. We have how many states? Can anyone tell me?
50.
We have 50 states. That's correct. Would anybody like to come up here and use the pen and circle the correct state that we live in? Thank you. That's right. We live in the state of Alabama. Can anyone else tell me a little bit more detail about our state and what city we live in? All right, come on up, and if you will, write the name of the city that we live in the blue box. That is correct. We live in the city of Mobile.
Now, this is a slide that talks about our planet. And can anyone tell me the name of up our planet that we live in?
Earth.
Correct. Now this is just a fun slide to show you that the world turns. This is our country. Can anyone tell me the name of our country? Or would anybody like to come up and drag the correct answer? Good, the United States of America. Thank you. Now this slide is just a fun little thing, and it's not necessarily on what we've been learning. There's a few extra countries in there, but would anybody like to come up and try to hit the North America?
Okay, so it's asking for us to find Australia, and we're going to click down here. Africa is over here. We also have South America, Asia, Europe, and North America. And these are some more countries we're going to learn about. Is there any questions? All right, well, thank you.
Thanks. That was our Smart Board presentation. Again, I'm Dana Johnson.
I'm Laura Bishop.
I'm Olivia Bush.
And I'm Rachel Gill.
Thank you.